Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bright Health to manage coverage updates, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with Bright Health, visit their official website. Look for the sign up or register option on the homepage. Click on the option to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Select your state of residence from the drop-down menu. Provide any additional information required, such as your date of birth or social security number. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click the Submit button to complete the registration. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Bright Health. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to verify your account. After verification, return to the Bright Health website. Log into your account using your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Coverage Updates section. Here, you can manage your coverage details and make any necessary updates. If you need further assistance, utilize the customer support options available on the website. You are now all set to manage your coverage updates with Bright Health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.